S&P, we saw the gap down yesterday. It just didn't do anything today. Actually, what did we gap down? Just push up most of the day? Yeah. I did explain that other YouTube video why I didn't sell a put today. I just kind of think we're going to get more. Look at the NASDAQ. It's testing that zone. Not a bad pullback, but is that really a pullback? I don't know if that's a pullback. That's more like just this trend is just going to keep going. A pullback would be this zone right here. But more. What just changed on my? Oh, Discord just went away. Yeah, it's back now. Whole Discord just went black. Functional, just blacked out screen. As far as the open, we gapped down a little bit. I don't know. I think we're going to be in this zone. This is where I would take the long play. For everyone asking, like, should we take the type 2 here? It's just not. Juice is just not worth the squeeze. I think it's worth the trade, worth a shot down there. Grandpa Dow, I think we're fixing for a rejection there. Palantir had earnings. You guys were so gung-ho. I don't know if you guys know this, but Technician, he sold Palantir at 40. Someone check on that guy. Anyway, Palantir did nothing today. Sideways. I know what you're thinking. Turn on the after hours. And I'm going to. What about all that bullish flow? 150 million. They were selling to some suckers. Anyway, red candle. I actually don't know what the guidance was or anything. Looks like a beat. Maybe they did guide down a little bit. I hardly call that a beat. That's right in line. Win's a win. Dominic Toretto would call that a win. Everyone who bought calls and puts probably just going to be down on that tomorrow. The way that thing was juiced up. I will say, if it does get down to this 100 mark, I might grab a few shares in the growth count. It's one that I like. And again, this might be, at all-time highs, and it had a pullback. The market's not at all-time highs. So what do we see something like Palantir being as the S&P gets to all-time highs? Does it just sit the whole rally out? All that buy-side confidence, does Palantir just sit it out? I don't think so. So while I have other things I do want to add on, I kind of want to just get that name covered and put it in the portfolio again.